Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. This is How to Geek and we are back with another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of logging into the online banking service of SunTrust Bank. But before that, here's a brief description about the bank. SunTrust Banks is a super regional bank holding company. The bank provides deposit, credit, trust, investment, mortgage, asset management, securities brokerage, and capital market services. So if you want to find out how you can log into the online banking service of SunTrust Bank, then make sure to stick with me till the end of the video. First of all, open the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.suntrust.com and hit it. You'll then be redirected to the official website on SunTrust Bank. Now, at the right side of the screen, you'll be able to see that you are being asked for your login details. You need to enter your user ID and password in order to sign in. After entering the details, if you want your device to remember your user ID, then check on this box right here, but don't tick it if you are using a public or shared device. Once you have entered the details, click on sign in. And there you go, you'll be signed in to the online banking service of SunTrust Bank. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.